Hello to all my lovely people. I hope you're doing fantastic. And Alhamdulillah, I am also doing very well. So, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another beautiful video. सो गाइस जैसे कि आप लोगों को पता है हम लोग वर्ब के हवाले से बात कर रहे हैं और जितने भी वर्ब के फॉर्म्स हैं लाइक सेंटेंस में कौन कौन से कहाँ पर वर्ब आ रहा है वो मैं आप लोगों के सामने डिस्कस कर रही हूँ। जो हाईलाइट किया हुआ वर्ड है वो है वर्ब। ठीक है, तो अब आप देख रहे हैं कि हम अपनी डेली लाइफ में जितने भी सेंटेंस यूज़ करते हैं हम कैसे उनको पुट करते हैं और वो एक वर्ब होता है। ठीक है, एक वर्ब होता है। सो इन सेंटेंस में आई होप आप लोगों की बहुत हेल्प हुई होगी एंड ये बेनिफिशियल होंगे आपके लिए। सो गाइस स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो को। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। नंबर 1 सेंटेंस वी हैव इट बिकम्स डार्क अर्ली। इट बिकम्स डार्क अर्ली। द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस वी हैव they become friends. They become friends. The another sentence we have I leave at 6 o'clock. I leave at 6 o'clock. The next one is she becomes famous. She becomes famous. The next sentence we have I become a teacher. I become a teacher. They feel excited. They feel excited. How do you feel? How do you feel? She feels cold. She feels cold. I feel happy. I feel happy. The next sentence we have they need more time. They need more time. The another sentence we have do you need assistance? Do you need assistance? She needs a break. She needs a break. Next sentence we have I need some water. I need some water. The next sentence they ask many questions. They ask many questions. Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? She asked for help. She asked for help. I ask questions in class. I ask questions in class. They try their best. They try their best. So guys, I hope you like this video too much. Thank you so much for watching these videos and liking my YouTube channel. Kindly guys keep support me and keep share with your loved ones. subscribe my YouTube channel, and as much as you can forward this link to your loved ones kindly. मिलते हैं next video में. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much once again. Have a blessed day.